Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Toyota Corolla maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: back, up, down, left, right, and OK for enter. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, maintenance required. Now go ahead and click back. Now click left, right to go find your page, which is here in the setting. Now when you get here, scroll down to vehicle setting. Now click OK and hold it for a second. Okay, now you get here, you scroll down to schedule maintenance, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on yes, and reset has complete, guys. That's how we do it. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.